You are all well, and this video lecture will find you in the best of your health. Today, the video lecture is about the detailed information regarding oil, vacuum, sulfur hexafluoride, and air circuit breakers and their comparison. And in the end of the lecture, we will learn which circuit breaker is best among all. So this is the required latex code. I will share it in video description. So let's start our lecture. So please subscribe my electrical and automation channel for further electrical and PLC videos. Okay, so types of circuit breakers on the basis of mediums we already have knowledge: oil circuit breaker, vacuum circuit breaker, air circuit breaker, and sulfur hexafluoride circuit breaker. Oil, vacuum, sulfur hexafluoride, and air are the arc-quenching extinguisher mediums during switching and make-break contacts used in circuit breakers. So we are familiar with the arc extinguishing mediums, which are responsible to eliminate arc phenomena during switching operations or make-break contacts of circuit breaker. So first one is oil circuit breakers. It is inflammable and there is a risk of fire. Second one is it may form an explosive mixture with air. So during arc phenomena, the arc experiences with air and thus forming an explosive mixture with air. It requires maintenance, that is the drawback linked with oil circuit breaker. It absorbs moisture, so dielectric strength decreases. So that is another limitation associated with oil circuit breaker. On the same way, oil leakage problem, oil has to be replaced after some operations because of the carbonization of oil. So maintenance is required in oil circuit breakers. Now, contrary to it, there is vacuum circuit breaker, which has advantages over oil circuit breaker. So vacuum circuit breaker is compact, reliable, and have longer life relative to oil circuit breaker. No fire hazards because whole process will take place in vacuum. No generation of gas during and after operation. No liberation of gas can interrupt any fault current. So any type of fault current can be interrupted by using vacuum circuit breaker. And in vacuum circuit breaker, we know the medium used for arc extinguishing is vacuum. No noise is produced while operating, means whole process is done in noiseless operation. Required less power for control operation. So as far as concerned with oil circuit breaker, vacuum circuit breaker requires less power for the operational control mechanism. Now come to SF6 sulfur hexafluoride gas circuit breaker. So as name suggests, SF6 circuit breaker uses sulfur hexafluoride gas, which is highly electronegative gas. This gas has strong tendency to absorb electrons. It doesn't require any maintenance, so that is one of the most useful advantage of SF6 circuit breakers. Free electrons in the arc are captured by the gas, that gas is SF6 we know, which builds up enough insulation strength to extinguish arc. So SF6 gas is responsible for the arc extinguishing phenomena due to highly electronegative in nature. It is much effective for high power and high voltage service. So that is the usefulness of using SF6 circuit breaker. SF6 gas is non-flammable, non-toxic, and chemical inert gas. So these are the attributes associated with using sulfur hexafluoride gas. Maintenance-free circuit breaker. As we already know, initial cost is capital, but running cost is almost negligible. Now, advantages of SF6 circuit breaker over oil circuit breaker. So short arcing time. So what is arcing time? Arcing time is the time required by arc phenomena to occur. So in minimum arcing time, SF6 circuit breaker will extinguish arc phenomena due to uh, the attribute which we have already discussed, that it is highly electronegative in nature and it has tendency to absorb electrons, can interrupt much larger currents irrespective of the magnitudes of current. That is why SF6 circuit breaker is used on large scale, gives noiseless operation due to its closed gas circuit. So whole assembly is done in insulation in closed enclosed enclosure. So each and every step is performed noiseless operation. No moisture problem. We saw that in oil circuit breaker, which has limitation over moisture. So in SF6 circuit breaker, there is no moisture problem, no risk of fire, because we know SF6 gas is non-flammable and chemical inert gas. Low maintenance cost relative to oil circuit breaker, no carbon deposits. That is the main drawback associated with oil circuit breakers. So no tracking and insulation problems. So this is all about circuit breakers, uh, which we uh, defined, which we explained on the basis of medium. So in next video lecture, we will learn detailed knowledge about MCB, RCCB, earthquake circuit breakers. That is the one of the protection scheme, and MCCB, and single pole, double pole, triple pole, four pole. We already discussed in the upcoming video lecture. So thanks for your support by adding subscription to my channel. Thanks.